At Christian Heating and AC, we offer Mitsubishi ductless air conditioners for the home. We offer quiet heating and cooling solutions for both single and multi-zone ductless applications, as well as ducted models. Our skilled technicians conduct a simple installation that includes mounting the indoor and outdoor units and making some electrical connections. Check our website for current promotions. Setting the highest of standards in the industry. Schedule a free consultation today. Visit our website